Good. Cut. Snap your leg.
Hi.
One more time.
Hi.
Good.
Hi.
Cut. Cut. Woo. One more time. Aim. It was a good kick, but aim. Cut. Good.
Hi.
Good.
Hi.
Cut. Cut. Good.
Hi.
Good.
Hi.
Cut. Good. Cut. Good job.
Hi.
Good. Switch feet.
I don't want to disturb the class,
Hi.
but we're doing a
Again. Switch feet.
taekwondo class.
Hi.
Look at your guys' feet.
So
Are they all the same?
subscribe to the channel
No one's
Comment
paying
down
attention.
below.
Brandon, raise your hand.
and share the video.
Brandon has been paying attention.
Oh,
Okay. Fighting stance. Hut!
Hi.
Hut! Switch feet! You guys, pay attention. Switch feet!
Hi.
Good job. This time you guys are gonna go. Who knows how to do a back kick? Back kick? No? No, back kick's when you turn.
Oh.
Okay. You know how to do that?
Yeah.
You know how to do back kick, Brandon? Show me.